Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Recently, as I have posted, Microsoft held their Build 2023 Developers Conference, where they did announce a whole lot of new AR artificial intelligence improvements rolling out to the different Microsoft products and services. And one of those that would be getting some AI improvements over the next coming weeks and months would be the new Bing chat. Now, one of those announcements that they did make at Build 2023 was that they would be adding third-party plugin support that will be released to the new Bing chat progressively over the course of next month, June 2023. And over and above that, recently, just to keep you updated and in the loop regarding these improvements with the new Bing, if you would be interested, recently Microsoft has tweeted over on Twitter some interesting improvements that they will also be progressively rolling out over the next coming weeks and months to the new Bing. And one of these, which I think is a big announcement, which I'm actually personally happy to see, Microsoft says that they will be enabling third-party browser support for the new Bing. And as many of you may know who are using the new Bing chat, currently it's only available if you are using, as an example, if you are using it on desktop, it's only available in the Microsoft Edge web browser for desktop. So as an example, if I head over to Google Chrome and I head to Bing and then I head to the chat, it's not accessible through third-party web browsers like Chrome and other browsers. So it blocks you and basically says you have to open up the new Bing in Microsoft Edge. So this is a big one, which I personally am happy to see, that the new Bing will be able to be used, hopefully in the near future, in other browsers over and above Edge, with Microsoft saying over on Twitter, and I'm quoting, hopefully they'll see the first experiments in enabling third-party browsers. So this will still is still in its infancy, and obviously will start as a preview experimental phase, and hopefully that will then start rolling out to the stable version, where we would be able to use the new Bing in third-party browsers. So that's a big announcement. And then, as I mentioned at the start of this video, just to keep you updated with some info, they will be adding third-party plugin support to the new Bing chat. And with Microsoft recently saying in regards to that announcement over on Twitter that they are preparing for the large-scale plugin rollout, and in preparation for that large-scale plugin rollout, they have said that this is allowing them to fix many small things, because as you know, recently when Bing did roll out, it was still in preview, which is no longer the case. And just on a side note, the conversation style has also now moved from preview to stable. It's no longer in preview, so the conversation style, which lets you choose your different styles, is now out of preview, which I thought was interesting in case you hadn't noticed. So obviously they are now adjusting and fixing many small things in preparation for that large-scale plugin rollout, which is going to be a big one, with third-party plugin support coming soon. And then over and above that, they've also tweeted recently over on Twitter that the balanced mode, which is your default conversation style, is going to be getting an improvement where they will be adding larger context size. Now, they haven't given any more info. Over and above that, larger context size will be added to the more balanced conversation style. So obviously, if more information becomes available regarding that, I'll post and let you guys know. And then just the last one to mention that they have tweeted over on Twitter recently is an improvement that they will be making to the image creator, which generates images using AR, artificial intelligence, where they are now adding a way that they've announced to tag images and videos with metadata. And as many of you may know, metadata basically identifies that image with certain information. And this metadata will be able to identify an image if it was created with AR. So it will basically give you the difference in that metadata, so you can identify if an image is a normal image, so to speak, or if it is an image that was created using artificial intelligence, and that metadata will be able to tell you the difference, which I actually also think is another nice move in the right direction. So that's just a couple of changes that Microsoft has recently tweeted and announced over on Twitter. And I think the big one here is that the new Bing chat will be coming to other web browsers, hopefully in the near future. But obviously, I'll keep a close eye on that one And when that does start happening, or I get more info, I will post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.